Hey guys, I'm Shamala. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm going to show you how to make tandoori prawn rice. This tandoori prawn rice is made with a super easy marinade, so flavorful and delicious. Marination is one of the most important steps in the making of flavorsome tandoori prawns. I prefer marinating the prawns at least for 5 to 6 hours. It's good enough time for the prawns to absorb the flavor of the spices and seasoning. So let's start making it. First step is to clean, devine and rinse the prawns. Second step is take a bowl, add 10 to 15 prawns followed by 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of tandoori masala, half teaspoon of chaat masala, 1 tablespoon of curd, salt as per your taste and 1 pinch of red color. Mix nicely. Let the prawns sit in the marinade for at least 5 to 6 hours. Third step is heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add 2 medium-sized chopped tomatoes. Saute for 2 minutes till tomatoes become soft and mushy. Now add the marinated prawns in it. Give a mix. Add handful of chopped coriander leaves. Mix well and then add 1/4 cup of water. Close the lid and cook for 5 minutes till oil separates. Finally add some green chillies. Mix well and set aside. Fourth step is to bring 6 cups of water to the boil. Add some salt, 1 teaspoon of finely chopped garlic, 2 slitted green chilies and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Once it starts boiling, add 4 cups of rice in it. Bring back up to the boil. Then cook for 4 minutes or until rice is completely cooked. Drain immediately. Set aside in a non-stick large pan. Now add the cooked prawns on rice. Mix gently. Give charcoal smoke for 3 minutes. Remove the charcoal and now add fried crispy onions on it and add some ghee or butter if needed. Mix gently and serve. I hope you guys enjoyed this tandoori prawn rice. Don't forget to share, like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.